Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this video, I gon' teach you how to make a professional YouTube banner for your channel with easy steps. So without wasting time, let's get started. So now, make a new document of width of 2120 and height of 350. Now make background color as black. And make a new layer above it. Then take a brush with like this gray color. And just give it like this. Now make this layer mode as screen and opacity to 75. Now make group for these two layers and name it as BG. BG means background. After that, make a new layer and write your text, color is white only. Adjust it to center. After that, write one more text for your social media handles and duplicate it. Also adjust it. After that, bring your social media handles and place them with your tags. Now select your text layers with your social media handles and group them. Now make a new layer and take a brush with any color you like. Make brush size bigger, also make it hardness to full. And make like this shapes. Now duplicate this layer and press Ctrl T, then right click here and make it to 180 degree, then hold Shift and move it to right side. Now merge the layers. And, ops. Wait, just let me remove this. Okay, now take a brush tool with smaller size and just make some shapes like this, or else you can make different shapes as your wish. Now double tap on the layer and give drop shadow to it. And also you can make changes in colors which you like. After that, come to this option and select color lookup, then to this option and select foggy night. Make it blending mode to soft light. Now select the layers and group them. So now our YouTube banner is ready to use, so if this tutorial gets 66 likes then I will provide the PSD of this file. So if this tutorial was helpful for you guys then please leave a like and comment about the tutorial, and if you're new to my channel, then make sure to subscribe my channel, also turn on that bell icon so that you won't miss any updates. So till then, peace out.